Hi, my name is Nenad Mišić. Ich bin Softwareentwickler. Ich komme aus Serbien und bin hier ein Jahr. First, I applied to the one position that I find really interesting. Then Renee and I believe Madeline came to me with a proposal for another new project that they were having. So I was very interested into that because I was learning that technology and trying to be proficient in it. So I found it as a good way to improve myself in that field and also be the first job with that technology. I came to Germany because my then girlfriend, now wife, lived here for several years. So I wanted to be with her, live and just create our life together. I applied to the position here and everything went smoothly. Then with the help of the KIX company, I was able to get my visa and started working here, and it's been a lovely 1 year. Everybody that's working here, they were there for all my questions, all of my needs to help me in order to install something, to do stuff, to introduce to the project as a whole. And yeah, the starting process was I needed about 3 or 4 weeks to know the project and how everything works, and I started working on my first task. Yes, I do feel comfortable and integrated here. It was very easy to integrate. I had a lot of help from the whole team. The first, I had some language barrier problems, but as time went on, I started picking up the things, the daily phrases, so everything is improving in that aspect as well as in my professional. And one of the most important things that made it easy was that everybody was comfortable in talking in English with me, as well as helping me practice my German. So, like in our daily duties, also in our private talks, the team is awesome. Lovely. I enjoy it here. Everybody is adapting to my lack of German knowledge, so they speak to me in English when it's necessary. I mean, the team as a whole, there is nothing that I can just accept from everything. There is just team as a whole. It was a great backup for me and support, so yeah. So the team made it easy for me. For my team.